My name is Barry Wright. I have a restoration company in Atlanta, 911 Restoration of Atlanta, and took Gregg's course because I was looking at some ways to help build our business. We just started 3 months ago. I do have 25 years experience in the renovation business and have a renovation company. Saw the restoration business as a good complement to what we're already doing. And our corporate offices do provide marketing and sort of national account access, but it's become clear to me after 3 months that we need to do more local, what I would call guerrilla marketing, and that's why I took his course. It's only 4 hours; it was a 4-hour class, but anyway, very very informative. He's entertaining as a speaker. He's very knowledgeable. He's got field tested experience. He had a business that he sold, made a lot of money at it, started another business in a different state. And so he had the experience that I needed to hear to really trust what he had to say, be quite honest with you. And I love what he had to say. He gave me some good ideas. How to approach plumbers, not just in general, because everybody could talk about that in theory, but he had some very specific, practical suggestions on how to approach plumbers to develop relationships to get business from them, referral business from them. He also had me had a whole different perspective of the importance of the call itself. I mean, I think everybody wants the phone to ring, but then the question is, what do you do when it rings? And he really opened my eyes to the importance of maximizing that phone call and how to best interact with people to get the best return on your marketing investment. So those are a couple things that I got out of it, and would highly recommend him either go to a class, look at his website, sign up for his academy. And the guy's got a good heart. You know, it's obvious that he really wants to make a difference in this industry. And candidly, when I heard he had 10 kids, that just kind of blew me away. The fact that he could build a business and still have a family. His daughter, in fact, was at the class that we taught, and really nice girl, and you could just tell. You know, he comes from the heart, if you will, and so I just could relate to some of the challenges I face being a family man and having a business and making all that work. So, call him, look at his website, sign up for his academy. It'll make a difference.